I'll let you fire up. Turn the radio on and fire up. I'm on this end. It's all primed already. I've already had it running this morning. Fire it up when they call them in. When they call them in, fire it up. It's 5 minutes 30 on the wall now. I'm gonna go up there. I've got the radio down now anyway. It should fire easy because I warmed it up this morning. Yeah, it's already got a prime as well, so it's already been primed earlier as well, so it should fire up. Yeah, the bugs. And you've got the orange jacket on. Yeah, you can start now. Yeah, the ball's gone. Oh dear. That'll be an electric one. Looks quite new as well. Well, it's under a bucket of sand at the moment. Yeah. This might be a little delay. So it's worth stopping our engine while I mess about with this. Yeah, I'm off power. No point wasting fuel. Yeah. Don't forget to switch it back on. Just keep an eye on the marshals for you. Once the marshals are out and they've cleared that car, they may just leave it there. I don't know. No, it's doing a bit hot. You need to get close to where Paul. You're gonna get Paul's car next to you. Save the gap next to you for Paul's car. Oh, okay, yeah, he's got Tanner on it. So good. Okay. Nothing. Yeah, some. I think it looks like they might leave the car there. Yeah. We've got the warm-up lap anyway, to warm her up. Yeah, get at the front if you can. Squeeze in front of Dave. Go.
Vamos.
A bit loose there. It's the really bright white one. Just want to try and get a bit of a gap. Oh no. Oh, so am I. Slippery there. Sorry, that was Paul I got in the way of there, I think. I'm going to let him through actually. Oh, he's coming in. Right, I'll be on the clock next time I go past. I haven't really got a gap there. Oh, I'm never going to get a gap, am I? Right, I'm on. our name on the board? Yeah, eventually. Finished, did it say? Okay. Is that third or? No, that must be third, surely. No, number 13. Gonna say I weren't doing that bad. I should have had them first really, but I took that little rumble, didn't I? I just didn't realise that I didn't see us on the board at all, so I thought maybe I was in the wrong heat, which would have been concerning. Sweet, well done. Well, that'll do, second for now. We'll have to make it better next time though. It felt a little bit slippery though, just a little bit. I reckon I need the high downforce body on, to be fair. What were you? Where were you?
I can't hear him.
Second I come, I think. Oh, me. Yeah. Oh, you're there. Still waiting for you coming out that end. That weren't too bad. Yeah, it's because I was chatting on the radio, wasn't it? I had that little fucking wobble.
The thing of it was,
I was just concerned. I think I'm in the wrong heat. I couldn't see my number up on the board. It may have just been the sun on it. I couldn't see the number.
yeah, but
That's all I wanted to make sure. Because Jim said I was in second heat, but he might have accidentally put me in the third one or something. I didn't want to be out in the wrong round.
no.
Sweet.
Yeah, it's there was a couple of small little bobbles and one actual flip over it.
Yeah, that one little flip I reckon cost me that top place there.
Solid. All we need now is
I'll make sure I'll make sure I do that on the next round. It's only where I was talking because I was worried I was in the wrong heat.
all we need now is them 53 laps to be turned into 49s and we'll be going in the right direction.
53's average then still. Same old, isn't it?
Yeah. The thing of it was, that was the thing, it was a consistent round.
Yeah.
But it weren't a consistently fast round.
Yeah.
But it was consistent because you only went
Was
over
there any
once.
past that though?
So, very cool. 51 was the best. Slowest was a 57. Average was a 54. So yeah, first lap was a 51.08 and 52.
Yeah, so we could definitely improve on that. Might take a double down out next.
It needs to be something quite hard.
I possibly may just put the high downforce wing on, body on just for the second round, just to see if it's going to give me much of a change. I always prefer the high downforce body, I think.
Yeah, that was
Just means I can't run this. It's quite nice, but I'd rather get the result than run that body.
Well, that's a trade-off, isn't it, mate?
Yeah. So I reckon I might try that.
Gosh, it's thirsty. Fucking hell. Oh my God.